keskus, and it's volume 10. But the main address is Museokatu 40. With the Texas MP, we're going to go to staking station where business needs to be. And this elevator was modeled with MP8 fixtures, contrary to the other ones that were modeled with Kone. This capacity is 4 floors or 320 grams, but it's not any bigger than the other ones. Strange. Could this even be right? Let's see inside. There's 6 floors. It's built by Otis, and it should have the year on it. Let's see. It's 19. Wait a minute. Can you see it better? It's strange. Doesn't really look like anything. But I think 1928 it's just Museokatu instead of Museokatu later. And the serial number is 14574. So Otis installed by Museokatu in Finland.
Yeah.
It will be inspected in 2023 and might come in modernized in early 1988. Steve was also modernized 1988 with Kone fixtures.
Yeah. Or
maybe 1987. Because this doesn't say it here.
Yeah.
But it is possible it's early 1988 because we have seen 1988 modernization with MP8 items.
Yeah.
Like in Savonlinna, for example. So.
Yeah, it's 1935.
Actually, 1935.
Yeah, because it has staircase A is 14572 and it's 1935.
Ah, yeah, sure. I forgot. So it's 1935.
Yeah.
And it turned 85 years old in last year, 2020.
Yeah.
So Museokatu will be 35 years old in 2023. We're going to do a silent ride.
Inspected by Kiva, maintained by Back Officer Hissikeskus.
Yes, the capacity has always been 4 versus or 300.
Yeah.
So it's correct, but it doesn't get any bigger.
Yeah.
Alright, that's it then. Thank you very much for watching. Enjoy this video.
That's